random. So we'll show that real quick. This is Nick with AN Collect. We just did the random live, but was not recorded. So if you're watching a live version, you saw it. If not, here's how it turned out. And we are back. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck. All right. This is Elite. If a card is not serial numbered, we go by the card number. If it doesn't have a card number, we go by the wrestler's last name. Unless they don't have a last name, then we go by their name. Hope that clears it up for everybody. The 1-of-1 Superfractor bonus or Superfractor is currently $100 for this break. If somebody hits a 1-of-1 in this break, somebody in the break will get $100 in break credits. So there is that. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck. 1-of-1, please. You get the one spot. And for everybody who doesn't have a 1, I'm going to make you feel better. I've never hit good out of the 1-of-1 spot. We got Liv Morgan. That is not numbered. Spot 2. Wesley Braun Breaker. Elias Shotzi. Karrion Kross. Chelsea Green. And Xavier Woods. All right, next up, Roman Reigns. And our first auto is right there, too. Roman Reigns is spot 4. Our first auto is Kofi. Going to spot 4. 4 of 49. That's red ink, kind of. On card, and it's on card. Kofi on card. JC Jane, Paul Heyman, The Miz, Montez Ford, Dolph Ziggler, and Johnny Gargano. If you guys want to check out the checklist for the base cards, the numbering is right on the checklist. Scott Steiner, Big Papa Pump, going to spot 8. I believe that is Sean. Alexa, everyone wants to know what number Alexa is. Spot 6. Shoosh. Nathan Frazier. Sonya Deville. Brock Lesnar. This card is canceled. Xia Li and AJ Styles. Jimmy Uso and Rikishi. That is going to spot 1. LA Knight, yeah. That's going to spot 7. Rey Mysterio, Rhea Ripley goes to spot 6. BFAB, rookie, going to spot 3. Jimmy Uso and Bayley. Your Women's Royal Rumble winner and future champion. Bayley. Stone Cold. What in the world is that? Numbered 6 of 99. So spot 6. Stone Cold. It's kind of a mosaic look to it. Bronson Reed. Maxine Dupree. Shoosh. Shinsuke Nakamura. Joe Gacy. Ilya Dragunov. Top Dollar. And main event, Jey Uso. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Next up, Mrs. Wrestling, Candice LeRae, spot 4. Not serial numbered, that is the card number. Randy Orton, Braun Strowman, Kiana James rookie, spot 1. The almighty Bobby Lashley, Joe McDonough, Butch, and Tyler Bate. That looks like Pete Dunne. A lot like Pete Dunne. Who knows? You better call somebody. Spot number 2. You just got a road dog. Lola Vice, rookie, spot 6. Carmella, Matt Riddle, Sol Ruca, spot 9. Solo Sikoa, which isn't a rookie anymore in 2023, and Sami Zayn. Stone Cold Elite Deck, spot 5. Kofi Kingston, Ariana Grace, spot 1. Piper Niven, Nikki Cross, Elektra Lopez, Seth freaking Rollins, spot 2, and Sheamus, who is AEW bound most likely. Brock Lesnar Mosaic. Is that serial numbered? It is not serial numbered. It goes to spot 9. Mosaic Brock Lesnar. Dusty Rhodes. And whoever gets that, that's fresh out of the pack. Look at that. He's just a common man with a common crease. Rick Boogs. Edge. Otis. Grayson Waller. Tatum Paxley rookie. That is spot 3. And Io Sky, who will be the former women's champion the day after WrestleMania. Same. You will acknowledge Roman Reigns. Spot 8. Asuka. Ivy Nile. Alba Fire. Is that a rookie card? Nope. Tony D'Angelo. Damian Priest. Bray Wyatt is spot number 8, and Bianca Belair. Still do one auto. And actually, we'd probably do a lot of numbered cards. This is one of the ones that I haven't seen a ton of numbered out of. This is spot 6, Roman Reigns. Acknowledge him. Gunther. Dude looks a lot like Walter. Dakota Kai. Zelina Vega. Cora Jade, the American Nightmare, spot 6, Ava, and Ava's rookie card has a dimple right there. That's The Rock's daughter. That's spot 4. And Hank Walker, rookie. That's spot 1. Quality control out of this is not impressive at all. Guys, if you want to grab some spots in football, if we get it down to like 4, I will break it tonight. We got an auto. We do have an auto. We'll skip that to the back. Dragon Lee, rookie. Spot 5. Scarlett. Spot 2. Riddick Moss. Roman Reigns. Candice LeRae. Liv Morgan. Spot 2 on Liv. Main event, Jey Uso. We got a rookie auto. It is a female. Maxine Dupree. Shoosh. Pen Pals numbered to 25. That is 4 of 25. Did 4 get both autos? Let me see. Yeah, 4 got both autos. Wow. Ooh. This is what I'm talking about right here. Ava. Number 2 of 10. Now we got to see who got. Because we're calling out a big card. The Rock's daughter. 2 is William Rasmussen, Nightwing, a.k.a. Batman. Very nice, William. That's sick. Sick. It's obviously before her new gimmick, but not a bad rookie gold to get. Gigi Dolan, Quincy Elliott, Channing Stacks Lorenzo, Ricochet, Raquel Rodriguez, Tiffany Stratton, and Natalia. Real American Hulk Hogan, spot 7. Nikita Lyons, Kevin Owens, Austin Theory, Becky Lynch, Santos Escobar, Drew McIntyre, and almost not one rookie in that pack. I think we got another numbered card coming up here, and it's Mr. Brock Lesnar, 45 of 149. Chelsea Green, Xavier Woods, Carmelo Hayes, Charlotte Flair, Andre Chase, Roxanne Perez, and Dom Dom. Gunther, spot 0, Gunther Red, Zelina Vega, Cora Jade. Wow, these dimples, come on. American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes, Ava, again, dimple, come on. Panini, Hank Walker, Asuka, and Ivy Nile. That's disappointing. PSA 6 out of the pack. Do we got another gold? Oh, it's not gold. But it is Tiffany Stratton, purple. Numbered 682 of 99. Going to spot 2. Very nice. Scarlett, Riddick Moss, Roman Reigns, Candice LeRae, Liv Morgan, Gunther, and Dakota Kai. And we got a John Cena. Where is he? Anybody see him on that card? I can't see him. 13. Spot 13. Spot 3. I don't know. Just a silver card. Doesn't make any sense. Quincy Elliott. Channing Lorenzo. Ricochet. Raquel Rodriguez. Tiffany Stratton. Natalia. And Dragon Lee. Spot 5. Lita. Hopefully spot 4. Spot 3. Lita. Honky Tonk Man. The greatest Intercontinental Champion of all time. Spot 6. Becky Lynch. Santos Escobar. Drew McIntyre. Almost. And Gigi Dolan. Last pack. Mojo. Let's get a 101 right here. I mean, we got a 1 of 10, or 2 of 10, I should say. Not horrible. Carmelo Hayes. Full Throttle, spot 2. Carmelo Hayes, Charlotte Flair, Andre Chase, Roxanne Perez, Dom Dom, Nikita Lyons, and Mr. KO, Kevin Owens. Not a bad product. I mean, for stuff that'll be getting sleeved, that's a stack. So, Let's check out our hits. We got a Maxine Dupree to 25, a Kofi Kingston to 49, and probably the hit of the break by far is Ava Dwayne Johnson, numbered 2 of 10. Try to get that in there. There we go. 2 of 10. And it's a rookie. Can't even see the gold rookie because it's so good. This card is in good quality. At least they took care of the numbered stuff. But I could tell you some of the quality issues on these, pretty bad. Pretty bad.